Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zwift for beginners. To start, ensure your bicycle is securely mounted on your trainer. Power on your smart trainer or attach your speed sensor to a classic trainer. Then, launch the Zwift application on your chosen device, ready to connect your equipment. Make sure all components are charged and within Bluetooth range for a smooth connection. Once in the Zwift application, locate the pairing screen. Here, you will connect your smart trainer as your power source and controllable trainer. If using a classic trainer, pair your speed sensor to measure your virtual speed. Next, connect your cadence sensor and heart rate monitor for a complete data picture. Confirm each device is paired before proceeding to the next step. After your devices are paired, you will choose a virtual world to ride in. Zwift features several distinct worlds, each with multiple routes offering different terrain and elevation profiles. Simply select your preferred world, then pick a specific route, like the Figure 8 in Watopia, which is approximately 30 kilometers long. The on-screen display provides real-time information about your ride and surroundings. Zwift offers diverse riding options to suit your preferences and goals. You can simply just ride and explore the virtual roads at your leisure. For a more social experience, join a scheduled group ride, often led by a ride leader maintaining a specific pace. If you are looking for a challenge, enter a race to test your fitness against other athletes. Structured workouts are also available to improve specific aspects of your cycling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.